Hello, everyone. Welcome to the course of Water Pollution Control Technology. I am your lecturer Lu Xiaoneng. Today we will learn the introduction of water pollution control technology. Section I, Classification of Sewage Treatment Technology. At present, there are many kinds of sewage treatment technologies. There are also many classification methods. First, according to the removal method of pollutants. First, separation treatment. Separation treatment refers to the action of various external forces, a method of separating pollutants from wastewater. Most separation processes do not change the chemical nature of pollutants, such as ion exchange method, adsorption method, flotation method and electroosmotic absorption method, can be used to remove ionic pollutants in sewage. The methods of stripping, adsorption, flotation, crystallization, cooling and reverse osmosis can be used to remove the molecular pollutants in sewage. Suspended colloidal pollutants in sewage can be removed by coagulation, gravity separation, centrifugal separation, resistance interception, sieve filtration and other methods. It can be used to remove suspended pollutants in sewage. Second, conversion treatment refers to the action of chemistry, physical chemistry or biochemistry. Change the chemical nature of pollutants, convert it into harmless substances or separable substances, which are then separated and removed. Transformation treatments include chemical transformation, biotransformation and disinfection transformation. Third, dilution treatment. Dilution treatment refers to dilution and mixing by water. Reduce the concentration of pollutants. Water treatment method for achieving harmless purpose. Dilution treatment includes water dilution method and wastewater dilution method. Classification according to treatment principle. First, the physical method. Physical treatment is to use physical action, separation of suspended solid pollutants from sewage. The main methods include sieve filtration, sedimentation, upflotation, air flotation, filtration, reverse osmosis and so on. Second, the chemical method. Chemical method is to use the action of chemical reaction, separation and recovery of pollutants in various forms in sewage. The main methods are neutralization, coagulation, electrolysis, oxidation, reduction and so on. Chemical treatment methods are mostly used to treat industrial wastewater. Third, physical and chemical methods. Physiochemical method is to use the action of physical and chemical reactions, separation and recovery of pollutants in sewage. The main methods include adsorption, ion exchange, extraction, stripping and membrane separation. Physical and chemical methods are mostly used to treat industrial wastewater. Biological method is to utilize the metabolism of microorganisms, organic pollutants in dissolved and colloidal state in sewage, into stable harmless substances. The main methods can be divided into two categories. One is aerobic biological treatment. The other is anaerobic biological treatment. The former is widely used to treat municipal wastewater and organic production wastewater. It can be subdivided into activated sludge process and biofilm process. The latter is mostly used to treat high concentration organic sewage and sludge produced in sewage treatment process. It also has some application in the treatment of urban sewage and low concentration organic sewage. Section 2, Sewage Treatment Process. First, the process flow of urban sewage treatment plant. After the sewage is collected into the factory through the drainage pipe network. First, the large particles of floating or suspended matter are removed through the grid, then enter the grit chamber. Precipitation separates coarse sand, fine stones, debris and other large particles of impurities. Then it enters the primary sedimentation tank. The speed of water flow slows down greatly. Most of the suspended solids in the sewage precipitate to the bottom of the tank under the action of gravity precipitation. Then it is collected by the mud scraping device and discharged into the sedimentation tank. The sewage is purified. So far, the sewage after primary treatment still contains a large number of organic pollutants and pathogenic microorganisms. It will still cause serious water pollution after being discharged into water body. Therefore, the primary treatment is only used as the pre-treatment process of the secondary treatment at present. The sewage purified by the primary treatment structure enters the biological treatment structure. Under the conditions of suitable temperature, dissolved oxygen and pH value, microorganisms. The organic pollutants in sewage are oxidized and decomposed into harmless carbon dioxide and water. Thereafter, it enters a secondary sedimentation tank for slurry separation. The supernatant is disinfected to remove pathogenic microorganisms and then discharged into the receiving water body. The precipitated sludge enters the sludge treatment process. Sewage is treated by primary and secondary treatment. Most organic pollutants in sewage are removed. It is one of the most typical urban sewage processes at present. The second category is the process flow of industrial wastewater treatment plants. There are many kinds of industrial wastewater with different pollutants. Its wastewater treatment process varies with the nature of the industry, the production process of products and raw materials. Specific methods should be carefully analyzed after the characteristics of water quality and quantity, the nature of target pollutants, the outlet of tailwater and other factors. Comprehensive comparison and selection determination. The following figure shows the pharmaceutical wastewater treatment process. Section 3. Outlet and utilization of tailwater. There are two final outlets for the treated tailwater. First, it is discharged to the water body. The second is to reuse after treatment. The field of urban sewage recycling has the following aspects. First, agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry and fishery water. Second, urban miscellaneous water, such as urban greening, road cleaning, firefighting, etc. Third, industrial water, such as cooling water, washing water, boiler water, product water, etc. IV. Groundwater reuse versus water use for urban landscape environment. V. Supplementing ecological water, used in wetlands, tidal flats and wildlife habitats, to maintain or replenish water for their ecosystems. That's the end of the lesson. Thank you all.